edit it. All right. We got the active the Roadmaster active suspension. So we're about to reinstall it because we're going to Isabella Lake this weekend. And obviously I took them off because I don't like how it rides with it on when you're not carrying any load. Kind of sucks. It's the only bad thing about them. But other than that, they work great. We're gonna install them so we can go to Isabella Lake. We'll be pulling a 5,000 pound trailer. This truck is only capable to pull 5,000 pounds. So that's the reason why I bought it, because when I put them on there, it tends to like really go down. So I'm gonna try to keep it up there. But we're gonna install them real quick.
Blow on it, go. Go harder, harder. Good job.
No.
Good job. Ew, not in your mouth. I told you no already. You have it stuck all over your lips. Ew, you're gross. Spit. Spit.
My finger. You can't go wrong with your Milwaukee toaster, bro. Look at them.
Milwaukee, what's that?
Huh? This toaster here, you get it from Harbor Freight. Best freaking little impact set you could buy. Some people say no because they're cheap, but damn, if you could find a better box, show me. Which I fucking doubt it. There it goes. Look. Good thing I took it out. Look at this shit. This shit's been on there. It's been on there since Azusa. So the reason why we're doing it this way is because I gotta take these out. I went off-roading, and like I said, I go off-roading, but I also use this truck for towing. You know, it's my daily driver. So I contacted Roadmaster because they say that you don't have to remove anything and it's so easy. But when I installed this, it was so hard because look, the mosquito. It was so hard because this piece right here, this piece, look, this piece back here, the one that goes back there, I couldn't take it off because it's a hook. It's hooked on there, and unless I remove the leaf spring and remove that down, then I could actually fit that piece in there. So I ended up just zip tying it right there. My mom's been home. That's my dad.
She's upstairs.
So this goes here because the thing's already on there. Now this goes here. If I put those on, I actually wasn't supposed to remove these, and I removed them all the way. Idiot. Pause the video. Nah, keep recording, huh? We could like fast forward. Right there. Woo. Look at mosquitoes. Alright. This goes here. trouble. Freaking mosquito, look.
I know. I think I got bit right now. I'll bring out the spray right now.
Got the motherfucker. There you go. Look at him twitching like an idiot. What you got? Fucking with the wrong man. Pues sí, inútil. Si yo voy off-roading. Si voy off-roading, no puedo ir off-roading con esto puesto.
¿Qué tal lo estás poniendo?
Poniendo.
Estás poniendo pepo al trailer, ¿no?
Ya. Oh, my legs hurting.
¿O le has puesto bolsas de aire?
Hell no.
Así se las pones, se las quitas, se las pones cuando vas a jalar algo y se las... Y se las bajas cuando vas a...
Sí. My legs are hurting.
You need to work out more.
Yeah, work out, dog. I'm like my girlfriend.
Fuck off. What?
Alright.
Careful, you're gonna fall.
Oh. That's it. Now it's just about adjusting. So you just twist this. That's all you do. Just twist it until right. Oh, my leg. Feel like I need some circulation.
That's it.
Time to put the wheel back on. That's it. I just gotta find the little tab that they give you, the 20% and the 40% one, because I don't know where they're at, so I don't know how to check. Might have to order some. That's it, cut it off. Dying over here.